Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix memory integrity in Windows 11. First, open your PC and then from on the main menu, select this search icon and search for the registry editor. Now right click on it and run as administrator. From this page, what you need to do is to open the HKey local machine and then go on to the system. Now under the system, open the drop down button for the current control setup. Scroll down up until you can find here the device guard. Now open the scenarios and go on to the hypervisor enforcement code integrity and click this enabled reg word. Now when you double click on this, what you need to do is to change the value of it is to 0 to a 1 and then click on OK. And you'll now be able to use the memory integrity into your Windows 11 PC. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.